without water, we have no life. And so water in a small town like Nixon is very, very important. First time, whenever I go into a city, one of the first things you see are elevated tanks. And you don't want to see one that's rusted, looks bad, hasn't been taken care of, because I think that portrays your city, that you don't care. That the city administrator, the council, they don't care about how their city is portrayed in the public's eyes. My utility foreman and I sat down and devised a plan to get somebody in to start doing our tank maintenance, and we looked at several companies and we went with McGuire. One good reason on this maintenance plan is we can budget. We know what our fees are going to be over a certain length of time, and it helps in our budget process. The city of Nixon is a small town, 2,500 people total. We have 7 city employees that does everything from water, sewer, road, park, everything. It frees up time for us. If we had to do tank maintenance and all of that, that's all we would do year round. And so it's almost like having another employee on board with us. You guys come in and do our annual tank inspections for our TCEQ reports, and we can turn that in on a timely manner. Their rules change every year, it seems like. So for a company like McGuire, who keeps up with those regulations and stuff, and with our sales rep, he can come in and say, hey, you guys are out of compliance on this, and we may not even know that. So it's nice that we have somebody that's on our side that will help us stay in compliance with TCEQ. And it's just like I said earlier, it's just something that we don't have to worry about. It makes it great. I mean, it's nice that's one less thing on our plate.